Two creative powerhouses face off. VN Video Editor versus Runway ML. Which one really delivers? On the left, VN Video Editor. Fluent, free, and feature-rich mobile editing. And on the right, Runway ML. AI-powered creativity and generative video. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, before we jump into the gritty details, here's a quick mind map of the categories we'll be comparing. Editing features, AI capabilities, ease of use, price, output quality and formats, and workflow and integrations. Buckle up, because we're unpacking all of this. First up, editing features. So, VN Video Editor really nails the classic editing stuff. It gives you multi-layer timelines, smooth transitions, bunches of effects, and even keyframes. Oh, and get this, no watermark, and it's fully free. Love that, right? Downside? It's way more about manual editing and doesn't do much in terms of fancy generative effects. Now, Runway ML steps in with all the wild AI-powered tricks you've been seeing everywhere. Text-to-video, multi-shot generation, auto-masking, style transfers, all the eye candy effects. But look, if you want that good old manual editing power, it's kinda less advanced. Also, most of those jaw-dropping features, yeah, they need a subscription. So, for straight-up editing chops, VN Video Editor quietly takes the win in this category. Let's talk AI capabilities. This is where things flip. VN? It's got super basic auto features like syncing your background music and making some fast touch-ups. But honestly, there's pretty much zero generative AI. Not much automation at all. Runway ML? Oh, it's wild. You're literally typing a prompt or dropping in an image and boom! Full video comes out. Multi-shot, style reference, their Gen 4 model for quality. It's like having a creative assistant who never sleeps. The AI throws in built-in effects, masking, upscaling, everything. Only thing is, pro users will probably need to tidy up that AI output a bit before sharing. Bottom line, Runway ML easily grabs the spotlight here. Next up, ease of use. VN keeps things super simple. It's perfect for beginners, and it's mobile first. So if you hate complicated interfaces, you're in luck. The only catch? Some advanced desktop-style workflows aren't really built in. Flip over to Runway ML. It's all web-based. Super intuitive, beginner-friendly, even has guided prompts. Now, if you want to dig into the fancier stuff, you might need a minute to wrap your head around those advanced settings. So, honestly, both apps make it easy for starters, but challenge you a little as you level up. This one's a draw. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that Runway ML's Gen 4 model can turn a sentence into a cinematic video scene in seconds? Seriously, it's like magic. Let that sink in for a sec. All right, money talk. Price. VN Video Editor? It's totally free. Like, actually free. No watermark, no sneaky upsells, no paid pro version lurking in the background. If you're just starting out, that's kinda unbeatable. On the other side, Runway ML does offer a free trial, and you get flexible paid tiers for more advanced stuff, especially if you're working with commercial projects. But let's be real, the coolest AI features? Those are locked behind a paid plan. And if you're working a lot, that credits or tokens system can rack up. In pure value for the average creator, VN takes the crown here. Okay, let's get into output quality and formats. So VN Video Editor does well with all the usual formats, exports at solid resolutions, and it's super mobile friendly. But if you want really high fidelity or cinematic stuff, yeah, you'll feel the limits. Meanwhile, Runway ML, this is kinda bonkers. Gen 4 AI model means your videos have visual fidelity you wouldn't expect from a browser tool. You get longer clips, high-res scenes, brands can dial in their aesthetics, the works. Sometimes the AI can get a little weird with coherence, but it's honestly still next level. Runway ML walks away with the win for quality. Last up, workflow and integrations. VN lets you fire your edits straight out to social media right from your phone. It's easy, but it doesn't really plug into the bigger creative suites or pro workflows. Runway ML? This is where it shines for bigger teams. You've got seamless export to creative tools, ideal hybrid workflow where you can iterate in-app and finish off in a full editing suite. The flip side is, it's mostly web-based, so you're not getting that mobile vibe. For full creative integration, Runway ML nudges ahead. All right, let's pull up a quick radar chart so you can see at a glance where VN Video Editor and Runway ML each stand across editing features, AI capabilities, ease of use, price, output quality and formats, and workflow and integrations. It's wild how different their strengths look side by side. So, at the end of the day, if you just want something free, fast, and hands-on for mobile editing, VN Video Editor is honestly hard to beat. But if you're pushing creative boundaries, want AI to do most of the heavy lifting, or need pro-grade effects and advanced workflow, Runway ML is where you'll want to set up shop. Want more smart breakdowns like this? Hit that follow so you never miss your next creative upgrade. See you next round.